araw. So for today, magkakaroon tayo ng quick recap ng status ng dividends ng REITs products natin as of May 2025. So simulan natin with A-REIT. So A-REIT currently had a dividend of 0.58. So nung 2020, at 0.34, so that's 71% higher, no, as of May. So that's for A-REIT. Okay, move tayo to RCR. So for RCR, dividend is currently at 0.1047. So nung 2021, they started at 0.062. So that's 69% increase, no, since they started. So that's for RCR. Then let's move to the next, PhilREIT. So this is under PhilInvest. So for PhilREIT, current dividend is at 0.062. So they started at 0.112 last 2021. And that is roughly 45% decrease when it comes to their dividends. So move tayo sa next. Next is DDMPR. This is for Double Dragon. For DDMPR, dividend is at 0.023054. And then nung start sila 2021, they have 0.02047718. So that's 13% increase when it comes to dividends since they started. Okay, move tayo to MREIT. For MREIT, current dividend is at 0.250047. And then nung 2021, when they started, they have 0.2400. So that's 4% increase when it comes to their dividends. Okay, next, we move on to CREIT. This is for Citicorp. For CREIT, dividend is currently at 0.049. And then when they started nung 2022, they have 0.035. So CREIT has 40% increase when it comes to dividends. So move tayo to the next, VREIT. Okay, for Vista REIT, current dividend is at 0.05107. And then during the time that they started in 2022, they have 0.0210. So they have 143% increase when it comes to their dividends. And then last but not the least, we have PREIT. Hey, Premier Island Power, PREIT. PREIT currently have a dividend of 0.0548. And then when they started in 2023, they have 0.0682. So that's a decrease of 20% when it comes to their dividends. So there you go sa update ng dividends natin when it comes to REITs as of May 2025. So it's up to you to choose kung alin dito yung tingin nyo is a good investment for passive income. Syempre, we're after the dividends at the end of the day. So that's all for today. Thank you and happy learning. Bye!